So in this video I will tell you how to charge a Hilti battery without original charger and without damage anything inside the battery, even the BMS or batteries or anything. Sometimes when we replace the batteries in Hilti battery or we're doing something to disturb the original condition, so battery charger cannot accept the battery. The reason is BMS and the charger circuit, the both circuits work with each other. So if we disturb something inside the battery or we use the normal battery, not original battery, so our BMS cannot detect the battery. BMS cannot detect the battery, charger also cannot detect the battery. If we put the battery on the charger, so charger automatically detect the battery and start the charging. And every time when we heard the click sound, it's a relay sound, it's mean the charger accept the battery. So we have a big issue like this. So what we need to charge the Hilti bat? We need a 24-volt car battery charger. You see the amperes, 1 to 15 amperes. So just make sure we need 24-volt battery charger, not the 12-volt one. I have a charger, you see the 12-volt, and also you can use as a 24-volt. Just make sure you know the positive and negative. I just reconfirm, this is the positive, the second one from the left side, this is the positive, and the second one from the right side, it's a negative. So if we want to charging with manually, so this is the way, the negative and the positive. So don't worry about this because I'm doing this one more than 1 week. I'm charging all the batteries and it's worked perfectly, and the timing is also the same like original one. This one cannot charge on the charger, so I use this charger and I charge it first time, and after that I discharge it properly. It looks original like we charging on the original charger. I'm just jumping the wires like this is the negative and this is the positive. You can do better than this one. This is just an example. First we need to turn off the battery charger. After that, connect the negative wire and connect the positive one. So when we connect the positive and negative, we can see we receive the power from battery to battery charger. So when we turn on this one, see the meter, the ampere meter. So we turn on already. Our meter at the moment shows around 2.5 amperes. It's mean battery still under charge. When it's going to zero, it's mean our battery fully charged. We can see here also and we can see here also. If battery totally empty, it's take around 20 to 30 minutes to fully charge. Depend on the battery condition and also depend on the charger. Okay guys, thank you very much. Hope you guys like the video.